Thank you for reaching FTC4 Production. Welcome back, my people, to the channel that cares about your pockets, about your income, about yourself and your family. Thank you for your eternal support. Thank you for your unconditional loyalty. Thank you for sticking around as usual. It will be eternally greatly appreciated, for real. My ladies, my gentlemen, today I want to share something really cool that I found. For those who have children, pretty much, or if you have nephew, all toddlers in your family that are still using diapers. You know that everything I find in here is for free, right? So here we go. You never know until you try, for free. I like that. I really like that. You never know until you try, for free. How do our super soft diapers measure up? See and feel it for yourself. It is for free. Cuties. As you can see the message on the bottom, I don't know if you can see it really well. Sorry for the quality of the video. Still working on the monetization section increment so I can buy better products and make you better videos. Thank you for your interest in Cuties Complete Care baby diapers. Please check the email you provided for further instructions to receive a sample, which I already did, but it looks like that it takes probably 24 hours to give a response. After all, it's really late in the AM. It's already, at the moment that I'm recording this video, most likely it's actually past 12. It's already around 1:26, so it's gonna be published around 3 o'clock. So these are things that I actually have to do around this time, because this is the only time that I have available to help you out. Moving forward to what we came in here for. Yeah, I still waiting for that email they want to send me, but not response. So meanwhile, let's actually work a little bit about this company. Let's actually learn about the story first. You know, Super soft, super cute, and super smart. We will never stop searching for a smarter way to protect your baby sensitive skin. I like that. Our skin smart promise to you. Every decision we make is designed to help you and protect your health and your baby's sensitive skin. It's time for a change. Thoughtfully designed, responsibly made, incredible soft. Our products are super soft, super absorbent, and super great. So, like I said before, these products are super soft and super absorbent and super safe because they are going on your baby's sensitive skin, and that delicate skin deserves the most complete care. So those are little kids of ours from the RD Their product undergo extensive research, testing, and retesting to ensure that they have been thought through. Stands with, let's see, QA. Our advanced quality assurance vision system monitor the quality of our product 24/7. Sustainable. Our dedicated team of energy analysts constantly evaluate their facility to see what can be reused or repurposed into energy sources. Give us a go. How do our product compares um, to your current product? Only one way to find out. You can try Cuties here, right there, available for these two. Okay, so of course these two are always really uh, behind everything. Well, we can learn a lot from this video, but I don't want to play it because you already know that this algorithm of YouTube can be dangerous. So I really prefer to keep my distance and you know do the best I can. Okay, there you go. Softer, stronger cleanup at your service. Triple up on strength and softness. One, two, three layers of incredible. Wow. Alright. Even our wipes are cute. They're methodically tested, free of latex, lotion, fragrance, and chlorine bleaching, hypoallergic, made with triple purified water and natural fibers for added softness. Responsible, made in USA. This is USA products, which you're gonna find it a little bit more expensive than usual, but at the same time, anyways, this is pretty much what you see here, but right here, thank you for stopping by. If you're looking for free sample of Cutie Complete Care baby diapers, you have come to the right place. Getting your sample kit is easy. Just provide us with your email address below and we will send you the form to get you started. I never seen such a delay on these. I hope that whoever is supposed to be sending is working. All right, so sorry about that. They're open to any questions, which is good. Why Cuties? What else can you tell me about Cuties? Cutie is a new generation of baby care for a new generation of parents. They made their Skin Smart promise to you and your baby, and we intend to keep it. Every decision we make is designed to help. We made our Skin Smart promise to you, and no, I mean she had to say it. All their product undergo extensive research, testing, and retesting to ensure that they have thought about everything before they send something into all of our product undergo extensive research, testing, and retesting to ensure we have thought of everything before we send anything with this door. Advanced quality assurance vision system monitor the quality of the product, and a dedicated team of energy purposes for engineering sources. Okay, no problem. What else can you tell me about Cuties? We have parents of our own. We are proud to be member of the first quality team. Okay, I am going to keep this search until now, and because it's too much information, I don't want to bother you with this. So if you have any concern or any question, please don't hesitate to write me down below. I'll be really happy to assist you with this and the search. That the adults are not making it better, I get it. I mean, we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna leave it up to this point, but do not forget, please, I'm gonna put the URL. I put my URL, and I still haven't received an email from them, so I can touch this or get whatever is necessary to make it happen. Well, it will make me happy if I get a nano or something like that, but these pampers are for free, ladies and gentlemen. So what I need to speak, I need to do something else on the side if it's inflation continues like that, because I'm not gonna be able to buy, diapers for my children, So need to figure out the money in a different place. Yeah, well, that's tough. Alright, gonna leave it up to this point. Too much material, too much time. Email has no read or receipt, but if anything, I'm gonna attach it to this so you can actually, go for it and then play. Alright, I hope that you find your free soft, good quality diapers. The last word, getting your sample kit is easy. Just provide us with your email address below, and we will send you the form to get you started. Gonna leave it up to this point. I hope that everything comes out well, and no problem. Thanks for using FTC for production.